So in this video I'll be showing you how to install your desk mount credit card machine holder. So the first thing we need to do is to take the unit and remove this screw here at the side. Once this screw has been removed, you can simply lift the pole up. As you can see, you can either have the screw resting on here, which will give a full 360, or you can use the slot here, which will limit its rotation around. It's entirely up to yourself. After you've done that, simply remove the plastic cable management, and now you can see you've got the core unit here. So it has 4 screw holes which can be mounted to your counter or fixed as you see fit, and it has 2 cable management slots. One is the hole here, so a hole can be drilled into the desk, or one at the back here is a side or rear entry point depending on where your machine plugs into. So once you've installed this and are ready to go, it couldn't be simpler. You simply take your cable for your credit card machine and feed it through the back of the unit here and down through your plastic cable management, and then again into the pole itself. And just for the ease of this video, I'll show it coming out of the bottom. So as you can see, I've got the machine unit coming out the bottom. You simply place that into where you want. The next thing to do is to place your pole or your top holder back onto the unit itself. And again, as you can see, I've got it here, so it goes a full 360. Alternatively, if you wanted to, you can remove this screw, line it up with this slot, and depending on which facing way this slot is, will limit the use, obviously, of it round to here and also round to here. So once we've got the unit in situ, we're simply then a case of then taking our machine and setting it up to where we need it to be. So this machine here is an IPP350 and has the card slot at the bottom. So therefore the standard unit comes with 6 of these, and you can adjust them to be fitted at the top, the side, and as you can see, can also be adjusted outwards and inwards to as required. So what I've done here is you can see the 2 bolts at the bottom. I've actually removed these 2 parts here so it lines up with the 2 feet here. So once we're ready, we simply take our other end of the cable, install our machine, lock that into place, and then simply place our machine in. And if we need to tighten it, couldn't be simpler. There's wing nuts on the back. Simply undo them, adjust it to where we need it to be, tighten the wing nut at the back, and the machine is now held securely. Very simply, we get rid of the excess cable by pulling it through the slot. And now, as you can see, once this has been put in, the machine is ready to use. Thank you for watching our video from shopstuff.co.uk.